registration, and then the election was the people felt that the incumbent skewed the election to his favor. That's why we had a problem in Mali, and the military just interjected and went in.
Now, maybe some question. NPP Peter McMahon, he was saying the Mama in Ghana is rubbish. I think the politics of Ghana now, it has tended to be insult. We don't look at.
I know McMahon. After McMahon, John Boyd, the deputy himself, called what the former president was saying as foolish.
Yeah, but I think it wasn't even nice.
Yes, can you imagine, say, a whole deputy communication or health deputy, whatever, of a party, calling a former president, say he's foolish for giving out his grievances. And let's be fair with Muhammad. The grievances he gave, he wasn't angry.
Yeah, wasn't it?
His tone was normal.
The presentation of what is in the constitution, even after the registration, they were supposed to put it on their website.
It's not there.
So when it's on their website, and now people go to check and they can't find their name now, they can cross-check with the one online. But then I think when they are doing exhibition, BVR machine is not supposed to be at every police station. But I think 2/3 of the station were not having the BVR machine. It's not saying that if I come back to me and check it, then they send them a message also say they can check it online. Check it online, there are reports coming out say they are homophobia. Oh yeah, Bema, over Pena or Baba, and maybe I own an apple where he said, and also is with. Then I think the vice president, the NDC vice president picked. The number
was duplicated.
The number was duplicated. So someone also have a
the same number.
Practical example say South Bank. Now accounts number 7 people have the same bank accounts now. Who is the owner of such account?
No, they don't know who is the owner. Who is to be blamed?
Yeah.
Only a crowd will generate numbers.
Yeah. And number one, who is to be blamed? And number two, why not to me? I can say Sahara accounts more. Media.
That's right. You are creating confusion.
Exactly.
And so the answer to this is also that one EC had made a mistake, and they have to just come out and tell people, say, oh, you are free. This is simple. It's a human institution. We have made a mistake. Imagine the professor Ajimon
yes.
She was the vice, and she was asked to go to. Yes, she went to the headquarters to rectify her problem. You and me, a village boy in my village like Atebo, he has a problem of this nature. He has to go to the headquarters maybe for them to rectify. How could you, a farmer in a hinterland in Ghana, be able to solve such a problem? So this is a disservice to the voter registration and election in Ghana.
I think so. Before someone call to check on the exhibition, so they have a piece of paper
for you
and they will just write your name. Maybe they should have given you a form for you to fill out and keep a copy
for yourself as evidence.
You have an evidence.
That's right.
Okay, paper by two. Now
you're writing names.
Now you are writing names. That's a movie. And you see for paper and our paper no egg. Evidence is only what to make proof. Say yes,
yeah, you move here to the beer. Kasa, I'm for doing say. In Papa, but here no from so. The person said, you correct yourself. Me to me, but now I hold is where you have a whole machine. Now, obeying a whole police station, it had been proved said 400 people, and then when they went to do exhibition, only 4 people's names just appeared.
I think that was in the north.
In the north.
So the baby I can. Obi who want to say, I didn't see and I walk about a buying once and but if he say, Obi original football, the first 11 years I or none as a whole 1 year, which we have children. Obi on here,
what in one of who to add that, and me, I'm not trying to be pedantic, but I've been in the history, the politics of Ghana. I've been a police station officer before. I've been an agent for a party before. For 32 years.
Wow.
In Ghana, yes. I know all the political parties. I grew up in Ashton. All the politics I did up to North. There's no region in Ghana I've not been to because of politics. I know what I'm saying. About we said the sitting government and opposition. The opposition are on track and they are on the toe of the government and the EC. That is what an opposition is supposed to do. Because why yes have you forgotten your friend said your pink sheet? MPP used pink sheet and said the 2012 election was rigged. So now there's an African proverb that says that if you are bitten by a snake, once you see an F1, you start running. So Obia Wawakan, your friend said F1, and you been into the same, the MPP so good. That's the word. Obia Wawakan. House of was saying, Obia Wawakan, Womusun, would the Mirkani done. Because what is a Inter idea is in I want to say NBC for Omonia Tia or person who said Omon NBC, but may some American say give the leveling playing field for all the parties.
So you want transparency?
You want to easy. You say idea me. Even though among phone said you have linked, you are related to the government of the day.
What is your advice, one, to the government? 2, what is your advice to the EC? And 3, what is your advice to the political parties? And number 4, finally, what is your advice to the people from Ghana and around the world?
The first advice to the government and the party of the day is please stop playing PR for the EC. It doesn't make you look on the good line. Because if you keep on doing propaganda, supporting whatever the EC is doing, people think that you plan things together and win the election. Secondly, the parties must be vigilant, as the opposition is doing. All parties must open their eyes and let the party have recruited about 270 lawyers who are supposed to be at polling stations to observe. The slogan we have in the world today is, if you see something, say something. You then don't go and stand there and be like watching and nothing is going on. And then thirdly, Ghanaians know that this is the only Ghana we have. This is the only Ghana we have. The peace that Ghana needs is at a crossroad. We are not Nani, we are Santini, we are Savni, we are Grimo, we are Christoni. This is the time I was at Yabunko to drink. There's Renya Missel, politicians, any Abaya Wateso, any easy warrior Bijuma, Nyame Enka Wamakuma, send ye beya election ya ye beya sa election no assume dream because your constitution ye trade, ye say Adibia ye beya, we are doing it in the name of the Almighty God. So how can you say you have got a law in the name of the Almighty God and you are not doing things godly? Because God didn't say kill one person because it's an MPP. God didn't say kill somebody because it's NDC. The Lord Allah wants all of us to come together as one people. We can agree to disagree based on principle. We don't have to be tribalistic. We don't have to be bigots, religious dogmas. No. Because what we have to do to save Ghana now is every Ghanaian deserves the peace, to have the peace and go for the 7th election polls. So please, I entreat the leaders, please. For me, I'm telling you because I'm sitting from somewhere looking at what is going on. Probably because you are in it, you may not see what I'm seeing. You may not feel what I'm feeling. But I know Ghanaians in America are praying fervently that this election must happen peacefully. So we entreat you, Our mothers, please tell your sons to know that when war starts, it affects you because we run and leave you. Our kids, please, I call you, tell your daddies to understand that if something happens, your life will be in jeopardy. And then our chiefs, put your mouth into it. The committee, the religious and Muslim council, please come on. Tell the parties, tell the leaders, we want the peace of Ghana. 7th December, whoever wins, whoever loses, accept it in good faith. Because look, if you fall, pick up your stuff and try again. That is what we are supposed to do. And I think if we do that, Ghana will be in one piece on 7th December. Thank you so much. May God bless Ghana. May God bless where we are, and may God bless America.